Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn about Bayesian interpretation. First, I'll explain with the help of an example. Later, I'll state the definition of it. So, I'll be giving you three scenarios wherein just by looking at those examples, you'll get to know what is meant by a Bayesian interpretation. So, the first example here, you have a friend. His name is Ramu, and he is your school friend. Whenever Ramu visits your home, he always brings some yummy pizza with him. So sweet of Ramu. Now, we have another friend who is Teja. He is a colleague. Whenever Teja wants to visit your home, he will not bring anything for you. Now, just imagine if you have got to know that Ramu is visiting your home tomorrow, you must be 100% sure that Ramu will definitely bring a yummy pizza to your home because in the past, Ramu has already brought you so many pizzas for you. So that's the reason, based on the past experience, you would be 100% sure that he will bring a new pizza which is yummy tomorrow also. But now, here, since Teja has not brought any pizzas in the past, so you're not confident that Teja will bring a pizza tomorrow. Now, imagine you have got a call from your friend, that is Ramu, that he'll be visiting to your home tomorrow. But in the call, he didn't mention any food, but he just mentioned in the call, Ramu mentioned that he has picked up some food while visiting to home, but he didn't even mention what type of food is it, like whether it is a pizza or sweets or fruits or whatever. But he didn't even mention. It may be anything, sweets, fruits, or pizza. Since Ramu has not mentioned anything specifically related to pizza, so the confidence may slightly get decreased. For example, from 100% to the confidence will get decreased to a 70%. Let's just assume. But still, you may be confident that still you have a confidence of 70% that Ramu will definitely bring a pizza for you based on your past experience. Now, what is the relation this example with Bayesian interpretation? When we discuss about Bayesian interpretation, it means when we are actually predicting about something, it does not always related with your past experiences, but it also values the present information you have. For example, when I say present information, here Ramu has updated that he has picked up some food, whether it may be anything, but he has picked up some food. So, picking up some food is a new information that you have. So, based on this particular information, your confidence may slightly get decreased or increased. But since this is the situation, he didn't even mention anything about pizza, so your confidence definitely will get decreased. But since in the past Ramu has already brought you many pizzas, so you still have 70% of confidence. So what I mean to say is, no matter whatever may be your past experience is, but based on this particular new information, that is picking up some food, based on this new information, always the probability of predicting something will always remains. So I'll just explain you with the help of a definition now. So the official definition is, in this case, the probability is not based on how often, sorry, this is not a definition, but I'm just explaining. Here, probability is not based on how often Ramu has brought pizza in past, but on how much you believe that Ramu will bring pizza based on the new information you have. What is the new information that we have? We have got an information that Ramu has called, and he clearly mentioned that he has picked up some food. So he has finally picked up some food, but we don't know whether that food is a pizza or not. So based on this particular new information, the probability always be based on not only on the past experiences. In the past, Ramu has brought many pizzas here, but that doesn't mean we should not look for the new updated information. Maybe in the past he has brought many pizzas, but in the phone call he didn't even mention about any pizzas. But he has just informed he has picked up some kind of food. That is, he has picked up some kind of food. So based on this, always we have to calculate the probability. So the official definition for this thing is, probability is a degree of belief or confidence that event may occur. So when we say the probability is the degree of belief that the event may occur, this always be based on new information, new information or the new belief we have. So this is all about Bayesian interpretation. It simply says not only based on the past experiences, but we also have to care about any new information if we want to predict something about an event. That's it. Now, I would like to explain one more thing. Imagine we are performing an experiment. In any experiment, the probability of an event can be calculated by, as said earlier, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Uh, if I say we have an example, like what is the probability of getting number 3 in a six-sided rolling die? So we have a six-sided rolling die. Inside that six-sided rolling die, what is the probability of getting 3? So I would say probability of getting 3 is only 1 because there is no other 3. So I would say 1 divided by, in total we have 6 numbers. So I would say 1 by 6. So this is our probability. So when you just compute this 1 by 6, 0.061664. Now here 0, 6 6 are 36. So it is 0.16 something. So the important thing that you have to remember is the probability always remains in between 0 and 1. Here 0 means the event will never happen. It will never happen. But when we say 1 means it is a success. Like the event will definitely happens. So this is all about Bayesian interpretation and the general formula for probability. That's it.